So next we will be seeing about the types of volcanoes. On the basis of the periodicity or the frequency of the eruption, volcanoes are classified into three types. Okay, so the volcanoes are classified into three types based on the frequency of the eruption, frequency of the emitting out the lava part or other gases. Okay, so there are three types, which is active volcanoes, dormant volcanoes, and extinct volcanoes. So what is about active volcanoes you will be seeing now. Volcanoes which constantly eject lava, that is continuously it will eject out the lava, the gases and the ashes, are known as active volcanoes. So they are about 600 active volcanoes in the world. Okay, so Mount Stromboli and Mount Etna in Italy, St. Helens in USA, Mauna Loa in Hawaiian Islands, Pinatubo in Philippines, etc. So these are some of the major active volcanoes in the world. Okay, next one is the dormant volcanoes. From the name itself we can find out that it may have erupted in the past, but it may likely it may erupt again. So there are some chances of emitting out the lava part. So dormant volcanoes are those which have erupted in the past and are likely to erupt again but have remained inactive for a fairly long periods. Okay, so they are inactive for quite a long periods. So they are known as the dormant volcanoes. Example: Mount Vesuvius in Italy, Mount Fujiyama in Japan, Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania, Mount Krakatau in Indonesia. Okay, so these are the some of the dormant volcanoes. Okay, extinct, from the name itself we have find that extinct means it has been no more. Okay, so extinct volcanoes are those which were active in the remote geological periods. Okay, so it is more like early periods. So these are not likely to be active once again. Okay, so they are no more active. So for example, Gorongora in Tanzania, Athor Seat in Scotland. So okay, so these are the three types of volcanoes which we will be seeing, which we have seen, and hope you would have understood it, and some of the examples also they have given in it. Okay, so next part is the what is the volcanoic materials. So what are the parts, what are the materials which will be ejected out from the volcano. So the materials ejecting out from the volcanoes are of three types. Okay, so three types of will be ejected out. One is the solid, which is the volcanic bombs. Cinders is nothing but mostly burnt rocks. Okay, next is scoria. Scoria is nothing but a bubble like cavity. Okay, pumice, dust and ash. So these are the solid parts which will be ejected out. Next one is liquid, which is the lava. Okay, gases like sulfur, hydrogen and carbon dioxide. So these are the volcanoic materials. Next one is distribution of volcanoes. How where we can occur, where the volcanoes occur. So most of the volcanoes occur in many regions of the world, including islands, young mountains, ranges and plateaus of the continents. Okay, so the most important regions are the circum-Pacific belt or the Pacific ring of fire. Okay, so these are the most important regions. Okay, so coastal margins of the Pacific Ocean consisting of Philippines, Japan, USA, Central America, South America, etc. So these are the places which is known as Pacific ring of fire. Okay, next one is the mid-Atlantic belt. What are they? Iceland and West Indies. Okay, next one is mid-continental belt, which are Italy, Spain, France, Greece, Turkey, etc. And important islands are the Hawaii and the Indonesia. So these places are mostly affected by the volcanoes. Okay, so after that is the omitted part from your syllabus, which is like earthquake, tsunami and underground water, glaciers, external forces, everything are is not there in your syllabus. Okay, so with this we have completed this lesson. Just I want you to go through the lesson so that it will be easy for you to handle out. And while giving the notes I will be sending the snapshots of that. In this, the cross marks are no need to write in your classwork. Okay, the tick marks will be you have to write it down. Okay, and some of the diagrams I have marked so that you can complete it in your classwork note. Okay, thank you.